Before starting tutorial, it's important to explain about what is Taja AI is. So Taja AI is a platform that helps content creators transform a single long form video into multiple pieces of content for various social media platforms. It also automates tasks like generating SEO-friendly titles, description, thumbnails, and short clips. Now let's start this tutorial. First of all, open your Chrome or Google and search Taja AI. Then here you can see this first website. Click on it. Now click on Start on Free Trial. Now here we need to sign up. Sign up with your Google or with email by putting password.
Well, once this interface opens, you have to paste video link here and click on Start. And yes, one important thing, you can't use this app free. To use it, you will need to get subscription of a month or a year. In plans option, they have monthly and yearly plans, and price of every plan is different. After buying plan, you will get that 7 days free trial to use.
Once the content is uploaded, Taja AI will analyze it. It will take some time to analyze. Then here you can see AI has generated transcript. SEO-friendly titles with viral score, simply select most score title and scroll down. It will generate descriptions, hashtags, keywords, and eye-catching thumbnails with that title designed to attract viewers. As you can see here, you can even re-optimize and redesign thumbnails. You can even review and customize output. And here you can see this option. Since to YouTube, by using this AI will paste all the generated things to selected video in YouTube Studio. Okay, now once optimization completed, you can see this option view shorts. Click on it. Now you can see AI generated this long form video into multiple short form videos with title, description, and tags. You can even re-edit these shorts. The shorts also have captions. So this is how you can use Taja AI features. Once you are happy with the Taja AI generated outputs, save them to your account.